What's up guys, it's your girl Brianna aka MiniMarley
and Stella, and today we're going to show you a kids tutorial on my hair. The first step was washing my hair. I love helping my mom undo my braids. Then we got in the shower and started by shampooing.
Recently, I've been loving the Nexus Unbreakable Care line, and I used this shampoo today on Stella's hair because with all of the different braids and beads and rubber band styles, it's important to make sure that her hair is strong and healthy.
I actually really like this part because it feels like a massage. But after it's done, it's time to rinse it out.
The next step is conditioner, but I like to go straight in with a deep conditioner, and I'm using the Mizani Moroccan Clay Steam Mask.
My mom usually puts in the conditioner and lets me put it in the shower so it can sit for a while.
This is probably Stella's least favorite part, but once the conditioner is in her hair, we have to detangle her curls, and I really like to use a brush that is meant for curls, so this one is by Tangle Teaser, and you can get it at Target.
I had no idea my curls look so luscious.
Once the wash process is pretty much over, I like to put a shower cap on her and then wrap her hair with a microfiber towel just to lock the moisture in before we actually start styling.
I'm really excited to show you this tutorial because this is one of my favorite hairstyles.
Stella's hair is pretty fine, so I avoid heavy cream products and tend to go with a leave-in as my cream styler. And today I'm using Adwa Beauty Bao Mint Leave-In Conditioning Styler, and this really just conditions and moisturizes her hair and makes it easier to brush through her curls as I'm styling.
What makes this style so cute is the heart in the middle. So the first step is parting off that heart.
After I create that first draft of my heart, I like to go in with another gel and then just re-part out that heart to get really crisp lines. And I'm using the Kiss Colors and Care braiding gel. It says maximum hold, but I think that it's still fine for kids. And it's kind of like that gel that braiders use that helps them get the really nice crispy parts. That's what I pretty much use throughout this process to get really nice parts on this style.
Once your heart is perfect, secure it with a rubber band. My mom really killed it.
Now that we have the first section secured, you're just going to braid this hair. I've also done this with twists. It's really up to your liking. I went ahead and did the first back section off camera and braided that all the way out, and now I'm going to show you how I part off the second section. This is really all about creativity and doing whatever feels right, but you just want to create sections around the heart and around the perimeter of her head, and that's pretty much all I'm doing here, but I'm just creating really nice creative parts along the way and making sure that they're very crisp using the braiding gel.
You're also going to use the braiding gel to slick everything in place. Then brush it and secure it with a rubber band.
Once your sections are secure, you know what's next. It's time to braid. I'm pretty much repeating these steps all the way around, and I'm also making sure that even though it looks like I'm doing this really tight, it's not too tight to where it's pulling on her hair or edges. They're still little kids and we need to preserve those edges.
I don't know how my mom does my hair so neatly, but I can't wait to learn how to do it by myself.
At this point, you should have about 2 sections in the back. We have our heart in the middle, and I'm finishing off my 2 sections on the side, and then we have 1 more braid at the top.
Don't forget to leave out a little bit of your edges.
My top section is secured and I'm just braiding this down all the way to the ends, and then it's time to put in our beads.
This little tool helps my mom put on the beads easily. Sometimes I help her by putting them on for her. I really like the colors that we chose this time.
I went ahead and added my jumbo beads to each of these little sections, and of course I get my beads at my local beauty supply store, and it's actually time for us to re-up. But I really love the way that this hairstyle came out. The heart at the top is so cute and creative, and Stella loves it.
I love this hairstyle so much, I asked my mom to refresh it and do it the next week. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let us know in the comments if you tried it at home.
That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!